Yeah, so this is an update on the previous part. So basically, we have already built a voice AI agent that listen to your voice inside a live chat room, transcribe each into text using assembly AI, use Grok as a fast LLM, and speak back using local text to speech on the same. So the flow is like the user LiveKit Weber is on the LiveKit Weber app. Then it goes to the LiveKit room, the audio transport, then speech to text for using assembly I. Then Grok LLM generates the text reply, and then text to speech is sent. So basically, LiveKit manages the room audio track and voice activity detection. Assembly I convert what user says into text. Grok provides the LLM brain, then a local TTS, the text to speech. Basically, what it does is the agent replies are turned into speech using this text to speech. So what we fixed is we started with 11 layers inside the live kit, but hit were having some problems, so we use another TTS, and now we decoupled it and it's working fine. For example, if I show you the demo. Yeah, so like it's running the code, and if I connect it, hello, what's the weather today? So yeah, so as you were able to hear it, like it told like it's currently 25 degrees in India, and also it's live transcribing it. There might be a possibility like since I'm recording using the bending app, it might be possible the AI output might not be audible. So like this was the LiveFit POC project.